How to set Google text-to-speech language detection to off, conservative or aggressive on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancements. Then scroll down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. After that, we go down and tap on text to speech settings. In here, make sure you set the preferred engine to Google and then tap on the settings icon. Then in here, tap on language detection. From here, you can select off, conservative or aggressive. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your accessibility menu or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.